Hi Shopify merchants, Angelina is here again. In our last video, we talked about how to know some useful business information about your store and to compare it with the competitors' ones. And today, I'm going to tell you how to save money on SEO audit and to earn more money using your SEO mindfully. We are at SEMrush dashboard again, and there are plenty of different options in the menu, but we are going to ignore them and go directly to SEO toolkit. And again, there are too many options. We go right to the bottom to the site audit, and then I should choose a store. I found a list of top Shopify stores, and I've chosen the Bellery one. And now I'm going to check it for my review. I've left only the domain name and I'm starting now. We don't need all these extra options. We're just starting the site audit. It may take some time because we are going to analyze 100 of pages of our site. And here we go. We waited about a couple of minutes and now the audit is finished. We can see that our rating is 73%, so there are some things evidently that we can improve in our site, and there are 81 pages with some issues and we are going to check them. Now let's look into the details. Here's the chart again with the errors that have been found, warnings and notices. Then you can see the list of all the SEO issues on your site. And on the next tab, there are specific pages with the issues for each page. So here, for example, you can see that there are no H1 tags on some pages. And you can start from fixing errors on your site. For example, adding meta text to different pages of your store. So if you have ever wondered about how to improve your SEO or how to find money to hire an SEO specialist, you can just start from using this service. For example, in this case, duplicate meta text can be found even on the main page of the store. So when you fix all the errors, you can just click rerun campaign, or it will be done automatically, and then you can compare and check your progress on these tabs. So they even allow you to check how your SEO specialist works or to get this data yourself. So feel free to use the SEMrush service for your SEO audit. Again, I hope you liked our video, and feel free to share your comments, suggestions and any ideas with us, and we'll be really happy to see them. There are a lot of features available on the free plan for the SEMrush service, and if you want more, just use our partner link, which you can find in the video description. So I was glad to see you again. Remember to subscribe, to like our videos, and bye!